This is how you add instant captions on CapCut. First, find the CapCut app. Then click on the Create button. Then choose the video you want. Then click Add. After, go to Text. Now scroll all the way to the end and click on AI Packaging. Click Start. The captions will load. Wait until the loading reaches 100%. My video is over 3 minutes, so it will take a little longer to reach 100%. All right, now you have instant captions. And if I click on this button, the arrow, you will see that the video will play with instant captions that match the voice. Of course, you can edit as needed if some of the words do not match the intended meanings 100%. And there you have it.